What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be checking out a 22 Chrysler Voyager for start-stop maintenance light coming on, and we're going to check under the vehicle for something dragging or loose. Went ahead and done a scan. Found that it had battery B state of charge performance. Another battery code. And just a bunch of random meaningless codes so far. I'm going to assume this will be an issue. Intelligent battery sensor Q, check OK for engine stop. And it says false, while the others say true. We're going to go ahead and test both batteries. So starting with the main battery, the test said that it needed to be charged and then retested, so we done that, and it came out good. And for the auxiliary battery, we went ahead and disconnected it from the battery, that way we could test it separately. And it did say that it was bad, so we went ahead and pulled it out, and I did do another test just to be sure it didn't need to be charged. I do have a video on how to replace these. They're fairly simple. Also, don't forget to take the studs out of the top, since the new ones typically do not come with new studs. Now we go for a test drive, see if any codes come back, and basically check it over underneath, because that's still on the list. But I think I got it figured out, hopefully. So we're about to see. So it did not stop or start, but there is no light on. There's no codes. Check it. So I think that it's good for now. We'll come back to that in a second. Alright, we're gonna get pulled in here. There it goes. I'm gonna try it a couple of times. On the Voyager, I did find a code for the BCM B2199, battery below threshold. Still says not ready. With the scan tool reset, we're going to see if we can clear the code out, see if it's an issue with the stop-start. Let's see if it came back. Okay. No codes found. Make sure that the other code did not come back. So just sitting here, it's not come back. We're gonna go test drive it again just to be sure. All right, done some more driving. Stop, start, ready. We're gonna pull in here, make sure that it actually does stop and start. Sounds like it needs struts. All right, it stopped. Started. Went back to being ready. We're gonna pull back in, make sure it's actually good. Get it parked in a parking spot. And stop. It stopped. And started. We are good.